Today in this video I'm going to show you one of the unseen indicator that might you have not traded before, and you can use this strategy from 1 minute to any lower time frames, and you will love this strategy because this strategy is super accurate and it provides you the levels where you can go for your trade. And this is quite interesting because previously before I have not seen such type of indicator before, and today I'm going to reveal about this indicator in this video. Okay, so guys, before I jump in this video, if you're looking for the best broker that I personally use and the broker that offers you a variety of trading accounts as you can see on the screen, please find the broker link in the description of this video below. So many subscribers have the problems with their brokers, and so you can join this broker because this is highly trusted with no problems. Okay guys, so we are going to the indicator section. So I'm going to remove this indicator from my screen and I will show you the amazing signals by this indicator, that how it basically keeps up with the trend. Okay, so here you need to write OHLC. Okay, so when you will write OHLC on TradingView, then this indicator will come, that is called OHLC by TFO by trade for OP. Okay, and you can see 1317 likes are already provided in this indicator section. Okay, so now you can see that what this indicator is basically telling us. There is no quite data about this indicator on the author page, so overall I'm just telling you, like you can see that it is providing us with the green and a red type of signals, so what they are representing you. Okay, so overall when we talk about this indicator, generally I think so, like for example, you can see this is a candle based indicator. Okay, now it is telling you that the strength of the because you can simply first of all assume, like if you look at here from here what's actually going, it basically it looks like that the market is going down. Okay, so might be it started from here, and right now the power of the downtrend is getting on the weakening side. So this could be a possible message in while using this indicator. So for example, if we talk about this right now at this point, so it is basically telling you that this could be a possible green zone for you to take your buying positions. Okay, however, when we talk about the power is not very good, but overall definitely you know that trading is a chance and we need to take our chances. Okay, so overall if we follow this indicator, this could be a good indicator for us. Like you can see we already have a drop from these red levels, like this was the height on that time. Now for example guys, what we can do is, like if we go for the UT board, let's take an example. It's not only about the UT board, I mean you can take your own chances. So overall if we look the data from here to here, what we generally assume from here to here. Okay, so if you look at this data is telling you whenever we have a buy signal from the UT board, it goes on the failure side, and however when we have the sell signal, they are working when the candle is into the red color. So this is the message that I want to convey you, that we need to trade according to the candle. Okay, so for example right now we have the red candle is in red, this is the red signal by the indicator, so we can go for the sell positions because you can see the buys are not working so far. So this will become your very easy approach. Okay, now you can see another thing, like this is the green candle, and now you can see the buys start to work and it has given us a scalping chance already. Now let's have a look of this indicator on the 5 minute time frame. You can see on the 5 minute time frame the strategy that I am telling you, it's working. You can see green candle, buy signal is working. Okay, so avoid sells when it is into the like this sell worked because it was red, and now it's a buy signal, but this is red, so you can take care of this thing. So for example, this is the green zone for the market. You have a buy signal, you can trade it because already the buy worked very well. Okay, let me show you that how it is working on the other pairs. Okay, so you can see it was green, the buy signal worked perfectly fine. Okay, let's have a look on USD JPY. Yes, the buy just worked, you can see when it was clearly green. Okay, so let's have a look on stocks. The stocks is on the weakening side. You can see it's overall into the downtrend. S&P 500. Let's have a look on crypto. overall on the crypto, you can see it's a straight downfall and the candle was completely into red color. Okay, if we talk about Nasdaq is red, and you can see the selling opportunities are working. And even if we go for NAS, yes, it's working on the sell side. So guys, this is what I want to convey you. Okay, moreover, subscribers, the new channel that I have developed, and if you go to the new channel, for example, if you go to youtube.com, so here you need to write secret trading unmasked. Okay, I have also I have also provided the link in the description of this video below. So for example, if you search secret trading unmasked on TradingView, then this is the a new channel, and a lot of new strategies will be provided on this channel. So please make sure I have given the link of the YouTube channel in the description of this video below. So also subscribe that YouTube channel, because there will be a different content, and there will be a huge content that will be coming on this channel. So please do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.